it. So, once again, welcome everyone, and this lovely session where we're going to talk about something that is really most talked about topic or the most talked about word, and something एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो सबको चाहिए बट शायद ही हम उसको डिफाइन कर पाए हैं. सो एक हवा की तरह है, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं अराउंड द थिंग्स विच आर अराउंड अस, महसूस कर सकते हैं बट उसको पकड़ नहीं सकते. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज समथिंग दैट I love talking about, apart from the other topics that I talk on when I do soft skills trainings. But we are going to look at this topic in very much detail. Before that, once again, welcome everyone. Sarika, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for the compliment. So yes, like you must have read in the post, I am Shruti Clarence. I am India's first ever winner of Mrs. Universe Confident title. This was in 2017 at South Africa. And prior to that, I've been a manager for almost now about 20 years in the airlines as well as the corporate sector together. So for the largest part of my life, I have been grown up watching the aircrafts and being a part of that journey. Now after that, I went into pageants, and I'm just going to give you this quick review because when I'm going to talk about this topic, you are going to be able to relate it to what I'm telling you right now. So while I worked with the airlines and the BPO sector, I decided to take a break, a sabbatical. And I think if there are any women who are listening into this, you will identify with this, that there comes a time in our lives when we just want to take a break and we want to be with family and we want to be with kids. And I was lucky enough to take that break. However, during those 5-6 years, हमें चुप नहीं बैठा जाता ना, जब हम 15-20 साल तक काम कर रहे हैं, then you just want to sort of still do something and be right there. So what I did during that time was explored my time and my talent, which I always had just parked it aside for writing. So I became a published writer around that time, in those 5-6 years. Time is when I decided to participate in pageants. So I think at the age of 36 is when I first participated, and by the time I was about 37 odd years, I became India's first Mrs. Universe Confident. So please remember these things that I'm telling you here, because our topic today is very much related to all of that I'm going to tell you, and you will be able to relate it when you listen on. So while I did join, I did win these pageant titles and this title for India, which is Mrs. Universe Confident. When I came back, so that was a time when I said, ठीक है यार, कोई title मिल गया. I won some title. I didn't become the main winner, but fair enough, I got some title. But when I came back, my friends actually told me that, girl, do you know that you are the first one to win this title till date? And I was like, acha, really? And that's when I got down to thinking कि भाई, what is it that probably the jury saw over there, where they thought they should give this Mrs. Universe Confident title to me? Or what is this confidence जो हम इतनी सारी बातें करते हैं, right? So ladies and people who are watching into this, I love my sessions to be interactive, though we are on a virtual scenario like this, but please make use of the chat box and let's have this a two-way thing. So सुना है ये term confidence, और ये क्या है? If some of you could just type it down for me, what is confidence? I'm waiting for answers, ladies, because I to be interactive and not just one way from you. What is this confidence that we talk about? So koi we feel nice, confident, confidence wala injection jo lagwa liya, and then we say acha now I'm nice. When we talk about there we are, and something that can be learned. It's not like a set of बस एक पैम्पलेट हमको मिल गया और 1 2 3 4 10 थिंग्स आर व्हाट यू हैव टू फॉलो, एंड इससे आप कॉन्फिडेंट बन जाओगे. So like Sonali says, to be able to carry ourselves, yes, definitely that's one of it for sure. Confidence is a state of mind more than anything else, because यहाँ ये वाला जो हमारा segment है ना, this rules our entire body. So once यहाँ से high command से जो command जाता है to our body is exactly how you feel and how you think and how you act, So positive thinking is one thing, and I'm going to cover all of this which I will cover that are very useful to build this confidence. There's a quote that says, confidence is, and so is the lack of confidence. So it says confidence is contagious, and so is the lack of confidence. So before I talk about how would you gain confidence, and I need to do that in the next few minutes. When I talk about this confidence, I've got a whole session planned, a session of 2 to 3 hours, because there's so much that you understand yourself and then go towards that journey. But when we talk about confidence, even lack of confidence is contagious. So let's just think about it. Whenever you were, let's say you had to do a presentation, or you had a performance, maybe at your college, maybe at your workplace, या जस्ट हमारी सोसाइटीज़ में जो गैदरिंग्स होते हैं वहाँ पे हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, कैसे तो भी हमने नाम दिया हुआ है, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू परफॉर्म. समहाउ वी हैव बिल्ट अप अ कॉन्फिडेंस. वी आर स्टैंडिंग बैक स्टेज एंड हम सारी एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हैं, डीप ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, मेडिटेट कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट अराउंड यू इफ देर आर सम पीपल who are very nervous and they are doing this, that पता नहीं क्या होगा, even for exams. So students, if you are listening in, हमारी बहुत अच्छी तैयारी हुई होती है, we are confident that I have done my best and I have studied, but if there is somebody around you who constantly tells नहीं यार मेरी तो पढ़ाई नहीं हुई, I don't know what I'm going to do, पता नहीं, I think I'm going to fail, I'm not confident about myself. How do you feel at that time? Doesn't it rub onto yourself also? वो थोड़ी बहुत जो आपने हिम्मत जो जुटाई है और बांध रखी है, it just crashes, to some extent. Correct? And now here is that crossroad, वो जो चौरा हम कहते हैं ना, ये वाली स्टेज है कि यहाँ पे आप आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर सकते हो, या यहाँ से आप नीचे गिरते जाओगे, and that is the kind of choice that you need to make at that time. Now how is it कि यहाँ पे बहुत quickly ये confidence हमें वहाँ पे build करना होता है, we don't get like so much time over there or years over there to build that confidence, right? बहुत कम समय में हमको वापस हमारा confidence build करके you have to face that challenge. Now for that I'm going to quickly give you a few things, which I, over my experience, so like I told you, I came back from the pageant and I actually sat to think that what exactly is this confidence that we mean by, I have worked with the corporate and the aviation for about 20 years in these sectors, and you must be thinking that probably I was always confident, because I worked with the airlines, because I became a manager and I was working in a corporate, and probably I was always confident, and that's why I got the title. Okay, but trust me, it was not the case. So for the largest part, when I was growing up, I grew up as an introvert, right? And yeah, I'm just adding someone onto the camera who just joined me, and we are talking about a very, very interesting topic, which is called um, confidence and your steps towards a confident you. So, when I was growing up, I grew up as an introvert, a very shy, somebody who withdrew in a shell, for the simple reason that I had a very low self-esteem. Okay, and that's my point number one. That is the basic thing for you to build up your confidence. Now, is self-esteem and self-confidence the same thing? Quickly, if I can get a yes or no. Self-esteem, self-confidence. Is it the same thing? Anyone? बस yes no बोलना है. ये वाले ऐसे टॉपिक राइट या रॉन्ग आंसर नहीं होता है. That's the best part I love about soft skills. Is self-esteem and self-confidence the same thing? Can we say self-esteem is similar to self-confidence? Am I getting quick answers? I'm waiting. Yes, no? Okay, so while you answer, I'm going to quickly give you a little one-liner about these two things. So while we do feel that they are the same things, but self-esteem is about how you feel about yourself or the opinion that you have about yourself. And when I talk about self-confidence, it comes from the feeling of being accepted, or um, the things that you do, or your ability to do certain things, and that belief that you have in that ability. That is basically what self-confidence is. Now, when I talk about self-esteem, and I can't put it apart, because these are so closely linked, though they are two different things. But when I talk about सेल्फ एस्टीम इट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये वाला ना बिल्ड होता है चाइल्डहुड से एंड दिस प्लेस सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस यू कैनॉट even begin to imagine. So so while I was growing up, I heard a lot about my color bias. So I grew up being on the browner side of the skin color. So which I am also now, and I'm quite proud about it. But then that was a time when I started getting very, very conscious about what people were telling me. Um, so you have these various nicknames that you get when you're growing up, and I had very funny nose shape. Now भी मेरे specs की वजह से वो छुप गया है. But I got called various names by that, and as well as my color. And somewhere all of this sticks. Now I'm telling you this because I have youngsters who will be who are looking at um, uh, this session, and I also have uh, girls and women who will be looking at this segment. But girls, you are going to hear all of this, boys as well. And these are certain things that you can't change about you, right? I mean, I'm born with this color, I'm born with this height. uh, to up to a certain age I can probably change it, but after that it's not in my hands, right? I mean, a maximum probably weight is what we can change or what we can manage, but your color, your skin color, your hair color, your height, more or less, you're born with it, and learn to accept it, people. Because all of this, you're causing unnecessarily self stress, and a lot of times it just pulls your self-esteem down. So my next thing, along with self-esteem, would be love yourself. So self-love, which is really very important. The moment you start appreciating things about yourself and start becoming confident in your own skin, I think that is where everything starts building up. Your self confidence goes up, your self esteem goes up, you know, and once the self esteem, uh, this is how life has transpired for me as well. You know, I have grown up being extremely conscious about me. I was extremely short until, you know, I was in grade 7. um, and ऊपर से I was dark skinned, उसके ऊपर से I had this funny features at that time, according to people, and uh, all of this made me a very kind of an introvert, right? Now there was a time when TK, all of this happened. I went into graduation, and then I decided that my love for aviation was much more than anything else. Now, can you imagine that when you join an airline, you need to constantly speak to new people every day. You know, so एक तो है कि आपको बात करनी है, ऊपर से आपको नए लोगों से बात करनी है रोज. You know, now despite all of that, I was like, नहीं. I think for me, my passion was more than any other challenge. So that is the next thing that I would leave with people, that hold on to your passions, hold on to your dreams, because that really helps you to feel a sense of achievement, and in turn builds your self love, builds your self esteem, and builds your self confidence. So you see, all of these are interlinked. So hold on to your passions, hold on to your dreams. um, having said that, like I said, so I knew my weaknesses. So I knew I'm an introvert. I knew that, you know, I had all of these limitations. But I encourage students when I do the trainings now is that note down and know your strengths as well, right? Because many a times हम criticism में इतना घिर जाते हैं, and we are our own worst critics. So लोग तो कम ही है. um, okay, so am I not visible, people? I'm just going to pause here for a second. Just give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Sonali, is the network good? Can you see me? Okay, can you see me now? Can you see me now? Is it good now? Can you give me a thumbs up if it's okay now? Sonali, please can you confirm if I am visible now? Smita, am I visible? Thank you. Thank you for acknowledging. Smita, am I visible now? Can I continue? If somebody can just give me a okay, I can continue. Okay, super. Thank you. So, so like I was telling you that, you know, while we grow up listening to a lot of criticism about ourselves, and, you know, we ourselves are our worst critics. Please, I encourage students, I encourage women, and I encourage everybody for that matter to note down your strengths, because I think that is the basic of, you know, finding self-love, thereon increasing your self-esteem, and thereon increasing your self-confidence, right? So once you know what you're good at, once you identify your strengths, and then following your passions in that direction, just gives you that sense of achievement, a lot of positivity, and that helps in suddenly a um, a sense of achievement and feeling confident about yourself, right? Now, when all of this has happened, and through my experiences, like I told you earlier, uh, once I realized that, okay, I identified a few of my strengths and I then followed my passion, right? And trust me, things were so different. So, of course, after that, everything didn't become, rosy, like a rose bed. So when I took a sabbatical, I told you in the beginning, I took a sabbatical of about 5, 6 years. So while being a manager in the aviation and the corporate sector, I took a 5, 6 years break. Now during that time, I went slipped back again into my old self that was, withdrew in my shell, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with life, and I got really depressed. And that is when I put again channelized my energies in a positive way to my passion, which was writing. So for some of you, it could be singing, it could be dancing, it could be painting, it could be even gardening, and it could be a lot of other things where you can channelize your energies, because all of this just helps in building up self-love, and it helps then thereon increasing your self-confidence. So, from again slipping back in a depression scenario or a state, I was able to see myself as a published author. So I've been published in about six anthologies, which are short story books, and also one historical fiction novel of mine has already got published, and it is on Kindle, A Tulip in the Desert. So, so that is where then I channelize my energies. Now, passions तो एक ही नहीं हो सकता ना, एक से ज्यादा भी passion हो सकता है. So मेरा वाला passion था that I wanted to walk on the ram and then see वो crown on your head and then say wow I won, and how is that feeling? That is when I entered pageants. Now that is another thing entirely, because there again people were advising me that यार हम जैसे middle class लोगों के लिए वो सारी चीजें नहीं होती है वहाँ पे, people come or the models that are there, I'm sure all of you all have seen, and I personally couldn't imagine myself on that stage, um, for that matter, I was told that, look at your color. So back again. So जो चीजें बचपन में I have, sort of overcome, and now, back at the age of 35 plus, I'm hearing the same things again. Your color, not for you, not for people like you. Look at your height. People go under the knife and they do all the sort of jobs that need to be done, and that's when they look like the way they look on screen and on stage. And I was like, OMG, am I making the right decision? However, at the end, this is something that I want to do it, and that's when I went to that platform. Now, why am I telling you all? Self belief, I told you, believing in your dreams. And self belief is the stepping stone to self confidence. Once you know that you can do it, and not that I tried and I got it at the first shot. My very pageant, I was still quite confident because everyone says, weaknesses hai, but आपका communication काफी अच्छा है. Line, and you have that, you don't have stage fear, and your communication is good. And I was like, okay, so I make it. The first pageant that I went for, I didn't even get shortlisted in the से winners choose होते हैं. So first and भी नहीं. So suddenly I felt, ऐसे सारे सपने टूट के बिखर रहे. It was literally that dramatic in my mind. Writers. So वो वाली चीजें तभी थी. And then I was like, नहीं, I still want to go a little ahead and just explore my strengths. So having belief uh, and your dreams, and then holding on to them, so no matter what people tell you, of course, when I failed, I still didn't go with that attitude. You need to have people around you and mentors around you who you should seek guidance from your mistakes. And once you you know, you learn from these mistakes, I think you grow into a different person altogether. And that's precisely what, through my journey, I have experienced. And train youngsters, and especially this topic, which is confidence, is something that I leave them with. That this is something that you really need to believe in. ठीक है, कोई चीजें हमको नहीं पता होती है, but you know, as role model, and their lives and from their experiences. And that's what I did eventually. And that's what, you know, the person who is here is learned from all the hurdles and the mistakes, the pit, stood up again and in life. And that is goals. And trust me, with that determination, वो that is what gets you the confidence. That sense of achievement gets you the confidence. All of, like I said, definitely find somebody who is, you know, a lot to learn, and probably a lot of confidence that can probably rub on from them onto you. Thing that is there. So these were just a couple of tips that I could think of that club in a 35 minutes you know, discussion. When I do this talk, like I told you earlier, it's about 2 hours on a minimum, where we talk about at least the top 25 tips for you to build your confidence. So probably for students, we definitely need it when we are going to a job interview, for that matter. And something that I totally take consultant and a soft skills trainer, which I currently am, and I'm working as also a trainer in an aviation engineering college and aviation segment. So when I like, so that's the reason I keep telling you that when I interact with students, these are the things that I leave them with, and I encourage them to, because होता है, I think for many, and that's why I don't feel confident in speaking, you know. But people, we don't just communicate with words; they are important, definitely, but it's also through the, you know, your appearance, that definitely matters. Learn to conduct yourself in a confident manner through your body language and behavior, through your communication, which is verbal as well as non-verbal, the way you present digitally. आजकल तो digital का ज़माना है, you know. And when you're doing all of this, I think that in all these spheres is where you can show your tips that I left, you know. Apart from this, like I said, what I do, which is your as well as working with corporate to help them grow up the corporate ladder and realize their success goals. Also with women and women entrepreneurs to sort of help them build their brand presence. So like I told, literally fell back on confidence in my sabbatical, and through my experience, and help want to, you know, start a second inning, for that matter. So just few tips to confident you. My part is digital हमारे माइंड में हमने अपने आप की एक इमेज क्रिएट की होती है, एंड मोर ऑफ्टन देन नॉट इट इज अ वेरी कि आई एम नॉट गुड एट दिस, ये तो मैं कर नहीं सकती हूँ, आई एम यूजलेस, लोग तो मुझे बोलते हैं यार तू तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता. So these are sort of image that we've created about us, right? So that is shop your image, उसको trim करना, उसको filter लगाना, काफी से changes करना, and when I say filters are all of these skills that we talk about. So hard skills तो हम college and research shows that 85% importance is there for soft skills, especially when you're going for job interviews. So what skills on your confidence and on your appearance, body language, communication, your etiquette, your emotional intelligence, because ये सब help करता है आपकी एक image बनाने के लिए. All of this helps in creating best everyone, and I wish you a lot of success creating this brand, because you can competition, be it at jobs, be it at getting jobs, be it at keeping your job. So all the very best for you all. Put your best step forward. Believe in yourselves. This thing I can do, right? And have that self confidence. Thank you. If there's any questions for the next 1 minute. So like I said, I just crunched, just a few topics over here. We can go on for even 2 hours when I do my coaching session as far as confidence. However, that box for any questions. So Sonali, it's such a lovely platform while people are typing their questions, but it's a lovely platform because the name itself says, like I said at the beginning, that these are the skills very less focused, and eventually when you step out of your this bad world of professionalism, um, sorry, excuse me, that's when you, you know these these skills are so much more important. And while I keep telling people that communicate हम किसी भी भाषा में कर confident, confidently uh, project, however the language English माना जाता है, especially if you want to travel abroad and things like that, offer or limited to certain sectors. Like for example, I come from the aviation sector. Now there we know that we it's basic to know have fluency in English. However, it may not be the case in a lot of things. So when I coach students, I'm like, see, okay, अगर आपको पता है that this one thing is going to cause drawback to, then I think it's time to start working towards it. That at least fluency नहीं, but working knowledge भाषा की हमें आए, you know. And if you know that you're going to work here, see, I use a lot of Hindi also when I communicate. It is a national language, and all our local national languages we should be proud of. You know, I also give training sessions in Marathi whenever where the need be. So so what I always say is that you should be able to communicate in whichever language that it is. However, then it will be industry specific. English कहाँ पे जरूरी है. So thank you for your question. it's better than then it's better to just say in any language, right? Than to just keep quiet. That's what I feel. कि अगर आपको कोई ओपिनियन है and you want to just convey that to somebody, then don't hold yourself back because मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. किसी कोई लैंग्वेज अगर which maximum people know, take the permission. Is it okay अगर मैं हिंदी में आपको जवाब दूं? Most often I have not seen till date जो कोई मना करके नहीं मुझे reply करो. I mean, depends on industry to industry. So yes, thank you so much, and absolute pleasure speaking with you all. I will be leaving my contact details. Like I told you, I do a lot of work. I think 5,000, 6,000 plus of hours in training that I have, especially with college students, employability skills, as well as with women and homemakers, as well as women entrepreneurs, as well as corporates. So connect with me for topics like these, confidence building, as well as um, brand presence, your executive presence for corporates, as well as employability skills. With me at my inbox or leave a comment here. I will be watching this for your queries. Sonali, thank you so much for making me a part of this initiative.